Here's how to easily create mind-blowing images with MidJourney using ChatGPT. MidJourney is an AI image generator. Here is a MidJourney prompt formula. Image we are prompting, 5 descriptive keywords, camera type, camera lens, time of day, style of photograph, type of film, camera settings, post-processing techniques. Please confirm that you understand the formula. Now ChatGPT understands, and we can fill in some of the blanks and have ChatGPT generate the rest. For this example, we're going to tell it the image that we want to generate and let it fill in the rest of the details. Create 5 MidJourney prompts where the image we are prompting is an 1890s exploration into unknown jungle. Now ChatGPT has given us 5 really detailed prompts that we're going to copy and paste into MidJourney. Let's start with this one. And as you can see, the results speak for themselves. Remember to play around with the variables here, but using ChatGPT as a prompt generator is a fantastic way to quickly generate incredible images. For more tips and to get access to our ChatGPT toolkit, just go ahead and check out our profile.